So now the next question is, a cubical block of 5 centimeters is surmounted by hemisphere. What is the greatest diameter can have? Find the surface area of a solid. Find the surface area of a solid. So what is the greatest diameter can have? Find surface area of a solid. Let's see here. There is a cubical block here. Cubical block. Cubical block means it is in the shape of cube. Okay. A cubical block. It is in the shape of a cube. On this cubical block. Okay, of side 7 centimeters. What is the side? Side of this is 7 centimeters. A side of a cubical block is side 7 centimeters. Is surmounted by a hemisphere. On this, there is a hemisphere. On this, there is a hemisphere. Okay. On this, there is a hemisphere. What is the greatest diameter? What is the greatest diameter can have? So we need to find this diameter of the. So we need to find the diameter of the hemisphere. So like this, the hemisphere covers the total. So what is the diameter of this hemisphere? He is asking, and find the surface area of the solid. He is asking the surface area of the solid. Let's see here. Let's see here. So surmount means find the cubical block of side 7 centimeters. Means this side is 7 centimeters. Okay, it looks like a cube. Okay, it's a cube. On this cube, surmounted means the hemisphere is seated like this. The hemisphere is seated like this. Okay, so the hemisphere is seated like this. The hemisphere is seated like this. If I draw this, a line through this, so this will be a surmounted means on cube there will be, what is that, hemisphere is surmounted. So we need to find the surface area of this. Means we need to find the surface area of this. Means after cubing, okay, we have to remove this. This is called as base. Okay, it is the shape of a base. It is the shape of a circle. So we want the side means the cubical, the surface area of the solid. How we are going to get surface area of means after it is putting here the surface area of a cuboid plus surface area of a hemisphere minus this area of a circle. Okay. So side is 7 centimeters. What is so side 7 centimeters? This will be coincide with the diameter, same as it is. Then write here given data. The given data is side of a cube. Side of a cube. A is equals to 7 centimeters. Side of a cube A equals 7 centimeters. Yeah, side of a cube A equals 7 centimeters. Next, radius of a hemisphere. Radius of a hemisphere is equals to side of a cube by 2. Side of a cube by 2. Why? Because side of a cube is coincide with the diameter of a hemisphere. So diameter of the hemisphere here, diameter of hemisphere is diameter of a hemisphere. Diameter of hemisphere is, what is this? Diameter of hemisphere, so D is nothing but D equals to 7 centimeters. So radius of hemisphere is diameter by 2. This is the radius, diameter by 2. Therefore 7 by 2 is nothing but 3.5 centimeters. Okay, 3.5 centimeters. 3.5 centimeters. 3.5 centimeters. Next, we need to find surface area of a cube area. The surface area of a solid is equals to CSA of a cube. TSA total. We need to take total. So this is a total surface area of a cube means this is a total. So TSA of a cube plus TSA of a cube plus CSA of a hemisphere minus area of a base. Okay, area of a base. So the base is in the shape of circle. Okay, so if you draw this is the shape of a circle. So this is the shape of a circle. So area of a base is nothing but an area of circle. So this is the formula. Surface area of a solid equals to TSA of a solid plus CSA of a hemisphere minus area of a cube. So the surface area equals to the surface area of a solid is equals to TSA of a cube is 6a square, CSA of a hemisphere is 2 pi r square minus area of circle is pi r square. It will be 6a square plus pi r square. 2 pi r square minus pi r square, pi r square. Okay, pi r square. If I compute this, what you are going to get it as 6 into what is the value? A value is 7 square plus pi. Pi means 22 by 7. 22 by 7 into what is radius? So this is the radius, diameter. The radius will be radius of hemisphere. Radius of a hemisphere will be r, that equals to 7 by 2 centimeters. 7 by 2 centimeters. 7 by 2 whole square. So it will be 6 into 7 into 7 plus 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. So now 7 ones are 7 get cancelled. Next 2 ones are 2 11s are get cancelled. Next it will be, if you take a 7 common, then it will be 7 after here also from 7 both common. 6 into 7 plus 11 into 1 by 2. So it will be 7 into 6 7 is 42 plus 11 by 2. So 11 by 2 means it will be 5.5. That equals to 7 into 42 plus 5.5. So equals to 7 into 47.5. So it will be 7 into 47 by 50. By point means 10. Okay, in 5 table, 5 2s, 5 9s 45, 5 5s, then 2 1s, 2 3.5s. So now 95 into 3.5, 95 into 3.5, that is 35 by 10. So again 5 table, 5 sevens are, it will be 5 twos, 5 twos, 5 sevens, 5 twos. Again, if you go with this, 95 into 7 by 2, 95 into 7 by 2, if you multiply with this, 95 into 7, so 5, 35, 63, 64, 66, 66 by 2. If you divide 66, 650 by 2, 2 3s are 6, again come here 6, 3s are 6, 5, it will be 4 times, sorry, 2 times, 2 2s are 4, 1.0, again 5s, 0. So answer will be, answer will be 332.5, what they given centimeter square. So therefore what you are going to get it as, therefore area of a the surface area of a solid equals to the surface area of a solid. The surface area of a solid is equals to 332.5 centimeters square. This is the required surface area of a solid. 332.5 centimeters square. Are you getting? Yeah, take this. So now next question is, a medical capsule is in the shape of a cylinder with the two hemispheres stuck to one of each end. The length of the entire capsule is 14 mm and the diameter of a capsule is 5 mm. Okay, let us take a small example. Let us take here. This is, you can see here, a capsule. This is the shape of like this. It is in the shape of cylinder and also stuck to hemispheres. There is a capsule here, the hemisphere here, and also hemisphere. The capsule is like this. Okay, this is a total capsule. Okay, the total capsule, this is a cylinder and these are two hemispheres. This is the shape of a cylinder. This is up to shape of a cylinder. This is the length of cylinder. This is length of cylinder. This is length of cylinder. And this is total length of a. This is total length of a capsule. Length of a capsule. Length of a capsule, and this is called as diameter. This is called as diameter. Diameter D. Diameter of capsule is, what is it? Is 5 mm. 5 mm. Diameter is, and the length of a capsule is 14 mm. 14 mm. Length of capsule is 14 mm. So we want the length of the cylinder. So this is 5 mm. So this is also radius from here to here. Okay. So the radius will be, okay, the radius will be here. This will be total 5. The radius will be 2.5 mm. Okay. Here also 2.5. From here it will be 2.5. 2.5. So from here to here it will be 2.5, and from here to here it will be 2.5. So 2.5 mm and also 2.5 mm. Okay. So this is the radius. Okay. So this total will be 14. From this, if you want the length of the cylinder, okay, length of the cylinder, if you want the length of the cylinder, first of all, length of the cylinder, that is length of the cylinder, okay, that is total 14 mm minus 4 mm minus 2.5 minus 2.5. So it will be 14 minus 5, it will be 9 mm. So length of the cylinder equals to 9 mm. Length of the cylinder equals to, length of the cylinder is equals to 9 mm. Next, radius of a cylinder equals to, radius of a cylinder is equals to 5 by 2 is equals to 2.5 mm, whereas radius of a sphere is equals to, radius of a hemisphere, sorry, I suggest sphere, hemisphere is also 5 by 2, that is 2.5 mm. The radius are written with r. R is equals to, written with r. R is equals to 2.5. Then we want the, okay, now we want to find its surface area. So surface area means the total surface area of, total surface area of a capsule. Total surface area of a capsule, in short it is called as TSA, is equals to, let's see here, if you want the TSA examples, it's a total of cylinder, 2 cylinders. If I am making a total of 1 cylinder, okay, this is a hemisphere and this is also a hemisphere. Okay, if you want this, see here how you are going to get it as. Let's see here. So this is, if I open this is called as, one side is open, this is called as CSA. Okay, one side is open, this is called as CSA of a cylinder. Okay, and this is called as CSA of a hemisphere. Just don't go with the code. Okay, let us think it as a hemisphere. Okay, just I made it as together, then it becomes a TSA, total TSA. So CSA of a cylinder, CS of cylinder, one side open is called as CSA, and CSA of hemisphere. Okay, this CSA of hemisphere plus CSA of a, so CS of cylinder plus CS of hemisphere gives us the total surface area of a, capsule. Are you getting? So it will be CSA of a cylinder, CS of a cylinder plus CSA of a, CSA of hemispheres, CSA of 2 hemispheres. Okay, now CSA of hemisphere plus CSA of hemisphere, CSA of hemisphere plus, okay, CS of cylinder plus 2 times of CS of hemispheres, 2 hemispheres now, so that is 2 into CSA of hemisphere, CSA of hemisphere, CSA of hemisphere. This is the formula. Okay, so that is TSA of a capsule is equals to CSA of a cylinder. How much CSA of a cylinder is? CSA of cylinder formula is 2 pi RH plus 2 into CSA of a hemisphere. The formula is 2 pi r square. Hemisphere also 2 pi r square. So it will be 2 pi r square. So 2 pi RH plus 2 to the 4. It will be 4 pi r square. Then if you write it 2 into 20 by 7 into radius of a cylinder. It's a radius of cylinder. Cylinder is 2.5. Okay. 2.5. Let's take it as 5 by 2. You can take 5 by 2 or 2.5 into height. Height or length of a cylinder is same. Okay. Height or length of a cylinder is same. Height of a cylinder and length of a cylinder is same. Okay. Height of cylinder equals to length of a cylinder. Both are same. That is how much? 9 mm. 9 mm. Okay. Length of cylinder equals to height of cylinder is both are same. So that is 9 plus 4 into 22 by 7 into radius is 5 by 2 whole square. 5 by 2 whole square. Now if you take, let us take it as 22 by 7 is common, and also 5.2 5 by 2 20 by 7 5 by 2 is common. Okay, and also if you take 2 also common, then will be 2 into 22 by 7 into 5 by 2 as taken as common. Here it will be 9 and here it will be 2 into 5 by 2. Why? Because 4. Okay, now if you take 2 common, 2 to the 4. 1 5 by 2 I am taking out. Here square is there. So here square is there. So that's why 1 only 1 will be inside. Whole square. Okay. Then ones, 2 ones get cancelled. So it will be again 2 ones get cancelled. It will be 22 into 5 by 7 into 9 plus 5. So it will be 22 into 5 by 7 into 14. So 7 ones are 7 twos are. It will be 25 into 5 into 2. So it will be that equals to TSA of a capsule. TSA of a capsule is equals to 22 into 5 by 7 into 14. 9 plus 5 is 14. 7 ones, 7 twos. Then will be 22 into 5 into 2. Then will be TSA of a capsule. TSA of a capsule is equals to 22 into 5 twos are 10. That is 220 centimeters. Again centimeters, mm. Sorry. So 220 mm square. So that is TSA of a capsule is equals to 220 mm square. Are you getting? Yeah. Take this. Why I find this here? Why I find this length of the cylinder means, first of all, I want the CSA of cylinder. So CSA of cylinder formula means 2 pi RH. So in the H means the length of the height of the cylinder is equal to length of the cylinder. So that's why first of all I find this length of the cylinder. Then I know the radius of a cylinder and radius of a hemisphere. Why? Because this is also same radius. Okay, now the radius is same for cylinder, okay, and also for hemisphere. The radius is same. Okay, the radius of hemisphere is equal to the radius of cylinder is equal to the radius of hemisphere from here. So a template is in the shape of a cylinder. A template is in the shape of a cylinder. Cylinder surmounted by a conical top. The height and diameter are 2.14 mm. And slant height of a top is 2.8. Find the area of a canvas required. We need to find the area of a canvas for making the tent. Okay. Let's see here. A tent is in the shape of cylinder. First of all, it is a cylinder. The tent is in the shape of a cylinder. Okay. On this cylinder, okay, a tent is in the shape of cylinder surmounted on a conical top. Okay, surmounted on a tent conical top, surmounted by a conical top. So conical top, there will be a conical top. First, we need to go with a here head. Okay, when you are drawing here, this is a called with an head part. This is an head part. When you are going with a tent, okay, like this tent will be covered. This is an head part. Okay, we don't cover it with a tent, that is canvas. This is silicon part. On this, there is a cone. Surmounted on the cone. Okay, cylinder surmounted by a conical top. This is a conical top. The height and diameter parts are 2.1, 4 respectively. Okay, the height and the diameter. Shape of the surrounded by a conical top. The height and diameter are 2.1, 4 respectively. So this total. This conical, okay, this cone height is 2.1. This total height is cone height is 2.1 meters. 2.1 meters, whereas diameter is 4. They given here diameter. This diameter is 4. And the slant height of a top is 2.8. This slant height is given as 2.8. The slant height is given as 2.8. Find the area of the canvas used for making the tent. So we need to find the first of all the CSA. First write it here. So these are the sides. This is 2.8. Sorry, this is 2.8. And this height is, you don't know, but this height is given as, this height is 2.1. So these are the measurements of height and diameter are the measurements of cylinder, not of a cone. Okay, these are measurements of a cylinder, not for the cone. So 2.1 meters height cylinder, and diameter 4 is dia. Okay, whereas the radius will be 2 mm. Right here, the radius of the cylinder is R is equals to 2 meters. Next, height of a cylinder h is equals to 2.1 meters. Next, radius of a cone R is equals to same radius of a cone, and also radius of a cylinder is same. So that is 2 meters. Okay, the given slant height slant height of a cone L is equals to 2.8 meters. Now we need to find, so this will be, we need to find the TSC. So now they are traveling like this, okay, they will be at 10. If you take this is cylindrical portion, on the cylindrical portion, okay, there will be on cylindrical portion there will be a cone, okay. So this is, we need to find this total TSC. TSC means CSA of this cylinder plus CSA of this cone, okay. Like if you take it as like this, it's a cone. If you assume it as a cone, okay, now CSA of the cylinder plus CS of a cone, it gives rise to TSA, total TSC. Total TSC. So now slant height of a cone. Slant height of a cone. Now TSA of a cone. We need one TSA of a tent is equals to CSA of a cone plus CSA of a cylinder. CSA of a cylinder. CSA of a cylinder. So TSA of a tent equals to CSA of a cone plus CSA of a cylinder. That is CSA of a, again TSA of a tent. CSA of a tent equals to CSA of a cone. What is cone formula? Pi RL. CSA of a cone is pi RL plus cylinder is 2 pi RH. That is pi equals to 22/7 into, whereas radius of a cone. What is radius of a cone? 2. And what is L? Lateral surface area 2.8 plus again 2 into 22/7 into radius is 2 into height. Height and length are same. So what is length of a cone? Height of the cylinder is 2.1. 2.1. From this 2 and 22/7. 2 and 22/7 is common. To take 20 common, so 2 into 22/7, let us take as common. The remaining will be 2.8 plus 2 into 2.1. So it will be 2 into 22/7 into 2.8 plus 4.2. 4.2. So it will be 467. So 2 into 22/7 into 7. 7 get cancelled. So it will be 2 into 22. Nothing but 44 centimeters, 44 meters square. So that is now TSA of a TSA of a tent is equals to how much? Is 44 meters square. Next, if you want to find the cost of 1 meter square tent is equals to the canvas. Okay, canvas. CSA of a canvas or tent. CSA of a canvas or a tent. CSA of a canvas. They are asking canvas. So go with a canvas. Canvas, CSA of canvas is 45. The cost of 1 meter. Okay, the cost of 1 meter canvas cloth is equals to rupees 500. So therefore they want cost of 44 meters square canvas cloth is equals to 44 into 500. So 44 into 5 4 is 20 22. That is 22,000. Okay, rupees. Getting 1, 10, 100, 10,000. That is 22,000. Okay, now 22,000 rupees. The cost of canvas cloth is 22,000. Okay, now the cost of 44 meters canvas cloth is 22,000 or 22. Okay, 20,000. Okay, come on, take this.
అన్న ఆ కోడ్ లెంత్ అది కనిపిస్తలే